I'm dipping in my Civic. I'm bouncing in my Civic. I'm riding in my Civic. I got the Greek ass Civic.
What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy LSRod254. Tune in for another one. As you can see, checking out my boy Zoe. He on live over there, working in garage, showing out the Chevelle. Make sure you go check out his channel. Checking out some different settings. This is like 2.7K at 60 frames per second. I'm able to do the in-camera stabilization I wasn't able to do with 4K. So, you know, just kind of playing around with the settings, man. Washing up the truck, trying to get a look at something, look like somebody love her. Know what I'm saying? While I was at it, I figured why not? Gonna hit the Chevy with some water. So as I was cleaning, the idea came across to put the damn what's the names? Everybody say it's the little things. It's the details and shit that matter. So I'm thinking detail wise, where I'm finna go with this is I'm finna put little blue bow ties across here. You know what I'm saying? I got the vinyl machine. I can cut out some Chevy bow ties all the way around. Pretty much all I need is that inside area, so I can know how long to make them, and then the width is gonna auto adjust so that I make sure I got my ratio right. Because a lot of people be making bow ties and shit don't look right, man. Like, they be making the bow ties and shit be oblong triangles and shit. So that's what I'm up to, man. Watching other Chevy. It ain't gonna go nowhere, but you know, just going over and looking at little shit. You know what I'm saying? I need damn the seal to go between there. Need that on both sides. You know, little major stuff. You know what I'm saying? It is the little things that matter. Little things that make the biggest difference. So it's your boy LSRod254. You know what I'm saying? Finna get back over here to watch my boy Zoe. Pull it out the back pocket. Boom. Yeah. One more time, shout out to Zoe. Doing major things over there on his channel. We kind of got like a little conglomerate going on. Know what I'm saying? Me, him, and Loco. We all doing the damn thing, so make sure you click over some people that's about that real, that's about that progressive mindset. You know what I'm saying? And about that positivity. So, it's your boy LSRod254. Identify your weaknesses and make them your strengths. Go on.